Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this emergency video, because right now if we look at the price action of Bitcoin, we are seeing this retracement after reaching around this monthly R1 line. Because if you have watched my video, you know we were actually also expecting that the price after reaching around this monthly R1 line to see some sort of a retracement towards this previous temporary raise line, because we knew around this 45,000 we have some strong line of support lying around for Bitcoin. So that's why maybe before seeing another impulsive movement here to the upside, the price of Bitcoin could see this retracement, retesting the previous temporary raise line, right, and starting this new impulsive movement. Because we knew that in the past Bitcoin price action, whenever the price of Bitcoin has reached the monthly R1 line in an uptrend, guys, in an uptrend, after that we have seen some retracement. Because if you look at this one here, all the way from April 2020, the price of Bitcoin came across this monthly R1 line, and as soon as we reached the monthly R1 line, after that we saw this retracement. Similar scenario unfolded here in May as well. In 2020 came across the monthly R1 line, after that we got this retracement. So you can see this similar scenario has unfolded again and again. Price after reaching around this monthly R1 line showing this retracement. But this doesn't mean the trend is going to be completely bearish, guys. Please keep this in mind, because in the past Bitcoin price action, even after seeing this retracement, right, the price of Bitcoin has still managed to continue this new impulsive movement. So that's why, guys, that's why, just like here from 2021 also reaching the monthly R1 line, after that we saw this retracement. This has unfolded again and again. So that's why I am not worried as long as the price of Bitcoin is going to remain above this 44 to 45,000 area, because we know around that area the previous temporary raise line is definitely going to be one strong line of support for Bitcoin. Because not just only the CPI analysis, if you also look at this as a accumulation phase from Wyckoff, according to this Wyckoff accumulation phase right now, this retracement what we are witnessing could be the retracement in this phase T, where the price of Bitcoin is going to see more of a range bound type of movement, just like I shown in an example before, again showing this impulsive price movement. I am not trying to say you that the price of Bitcoin is going to be extremely bullish, but what I personally believe is that the price of Bitcoin could see this retracement at least towards this 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci line, between this line, before choosing an actual trend direction. So that's why for me the 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci line are still going to be my price target in the upcoming days for Bitcoin, even though right now we are seeing this price retracement. And beside this example, guys, what I also want to show you is this chart here. Now before I switch into other chart, I just want to make you guys aware that we have up to $8,700 crypto exchange bonus available for you. The only thing you have to do is to sign up using my ref link, and after your initial deposit you will be eligible to claim this $4,600 bonus. So if you are an experienced trader, if you want to take advantage of this market volatility, the link is provided in the description down below, so feel free to check it out. Now let's switch the chart. Now let me show you why this retracement right now what we are witnessing could just be a temporary pullback towards this previous temporary raise line before price again starts showing this new impulsive movement. Because we know, guys, we know not just only the Wyckoffs, the phase T area where the price comes back to retest the previous temporary raise line, also, guys, also from this curve line, which has always been a strong line of support whenever the price of Bitcoin has shown a retracement. So that's why if we do see any sort of a retracement, I believe this curve line, right, just like here in the past Bitcoin price action, is again going to act as a very, very strong support for Bitcoin between this 44 to 45,000 area. Because today in my video I did mention this descending broadening wedge, and why if we do see any sort of a price retracement, this could be a retest of this previous temporary resistance line before price again starts showing this new impulsive movement. Because we know this descending broadening wedge is considered as a bullish scenario, but it doesn't mean the price has to see a movement here in this manner, and I have been very, very clear about that. So that's why, guys, this retracement right now around this 45,000 should not be looked as a bigger trade. But one thing is sure, we have to hold this line at any cost, because we know if you look at this in a simple way using this weekly moving average, also according to this weekly moving average, the price of Bitcoin has to find support above this orange line, which right now is sitting around 45,700 to 46,000 area. So that's why, guys, that's why this weekly also must close above this 46,000, right, if we want to continue this rally here to the upside. But we know there are going to be some strong line of support between this 44 to 45,000 for Bitcoin in case we continue this retracement here to the downward direction. So these are some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you like this kind of content, if you like this kind of quick update, then please do smash the like button. And also for those individuals watching for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye-bye.